Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today to share some happy mail along with some hauls. So I'm going to be connecting this with some hauls. Anyways, this is from Tammy SS Crafter 1. I won on her channel and this is what I have received. So let's jump right in. I'm really excited. Give me 1 second. Oh, look at how pretty this card is. So she sent me a 3x3 card with some seam binding ribbon on it. Look at that. It has a little cupcake, a little snowflake. Oh, that is so cute. And she's apologizing because it's so late. It's totally okay. It's totally okay, Tammy. Hi, Melissa. Thank you for joining me on my series. Congrats on your win. Enjoy, Tammy. And so that's totally okay. I wasn't rushing you or anything. I'm totally fine with that. And then look at this package. So it has a little bitty macaroons. I think this is a washi tape there, and then it has a little star on the back, snowflake on the back. And then let's jump into the package. It has this little bow tied around it, and I do not remember what I won, so it'll be a surprise to me. All right. Oh, goodness gracious, look at that. That is so cute how she has this package. Oh my goodness, I don't want to open it. Oh, look at that little gingerbread, the little she sent a potato chip bag. Look at that. Can you all see into that? I don't want to open it. Hopefully you all can see. Oh, I don't even want to open this. Okay, everyone, I am back, and I did go ahead and open this because I wanted to show you all what SS Crafter 1 had made, which is Tammy. Beautiful, beautiful things that she made. And I'll also leave her link down below. Thanks so much, Tammy. I really appreciate this. So anyways, here goes some of those little cups that she made. And I forgot what she said she used to create this like whipped cream on top, but so cute. And there goes the shaker mix there. That one's so cute. And then I'll show that other one last. And then here goes this one. And look at all the goodies that's in there. Look at those little gingerbreads. Oh my gosh. Just adorable. Love this mix. And there goes the top of that. And then this is the last one she made here. Oh, and look at those goodies in there. Oh my gosh, what a mix. So cute. And then check out this dangle. Oh my. Look at that. She has a gingerbread. There goes a little heart, a bow. And there goes some little gems there. Oh, just too cute. Look at the stocking. Oh, goodness gracious. And then we got a bell there. And I think this is another bell there. Just too cute. I love it. And then she sent this here. And like I said, the packaging was open, but I was able to get everything out of there and put it all back in. And so I have never created any of the dangles yet, but I do want to get started on some. But she gave me a good start there. So look at all those things in here. Oh, look at this. Look at this little skate. Too cute. And then we got a bell in there. Got another stocking in there. Let's try and get that out so we can show you that stocking. Look at that. Or a boot. Santa Claus boot, maybe. Just too cute. Got another bell. And then let me kind of show you what's on this other side here without spilling this. And then, oh, these little things snap pretty good. Oh, and then she got some more things that I can create with. So I'm going to have to watch somebody's video so I can see how to put these things together because I have no clue. Oh, goodness. I have a good start, though. And I had gotten some stuff from Cuddle Me Clay, too. So I'm on a good start. Uh-oh. I'm dropping some things. But, yeah, these are really, really nice. Thank you so much, Tammy. All right, and let's, oops. Yes, I'm dropping everything. Okay, I'll try and close that in a second. But look at these. Look at those little deer. Oh my gosh, those are too cute. Got a snowflake, bell. Oh my gosh, these are cute. I'm having a little bit of problem trying to get some of that stuff out. All right, and so those are just really, really cute. Oh, I love it. And then another bell and a little snowman there. All right, I'm just going to shove this off to the side so I can get into the haul. Next up, we have small business here, which is Fun Creations. And like I said, I wanted to try and get into some of the beads, and I seen that she was selling a pack of beads there. But before I get into that, check this out. She does everything with excellence. Can't talk today, but she sent me a little small gift, and I think that's my invoice, so we'll just leave that. But I want to show you these here. There we go, small gift, and look at that. We got an anchor, starfish, and a shell there. Can't hardly see it. There you go. Really, really nice. Thanks so much, Lady Cree. And hopefully she doesn't mind me showing her information there. So you can reach her at those places there. And then she sends a little, what do you call this, bookmark. Be still and know that I am God. Psalms 46 and 10. NIV version. So yes, and she sent me another little verse there. Thanks so much, Lady Cree. And then look at this. Let me just take this out of this bag. I'm not going to take anything out, but I just want to show you this. She did show it on her channel, and I'll have that link down below so you can get a better idea of what's in this bag. So, but yes, just take a look at that. Look at all those really nice gems there. Love it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Lady Cree. All right, and next up, I went to My Favorite Things. They gave me a birthday gift, so I thought I would go over there and purchase something. I needed another pair of snips because I broke my other pair. And I also purchased this because I wanted some longer dies to add sentiments. And you know, if this is too long, you could always use this and shorten it to the length that you want. So yeah, I was glad to pick that up. This was one of their clearance items, and I picked that up. I want to say this was $5, so I went ahead and picked that up. It has some layers to go with that, and 3 different ways that you can layer that up. It's a little different on each of those. And then my friend, who I always craft with, she kept on using these balloons, and I was just like, I just really got to pick those up because those cards were so pretty that she used with those balloons. So I ended up getting that. And then from Simon Says Stamps. Now let's go to Peachy Keen Stamps. So I did go ahead and pick up this set here. And this was in response to Craft, Pay, Repeat Sherry. They did a little donation. If you purchased this, half of the proceeds was going to go to Sherry's family. So I definitely wanted to get in on that. And I picked this up. Isn't it cute? And then I also picked up Jill's Favorites. And got a lot of things on there. Love it. All right. And then last but not least, we have a Simon Says stamp haul here. This is going to be the next code for starting October 1st. So if you want to write that down and get that code there. And then I went ahead and picked this up because it was 99 cents. And so I just went ahead and got it. But it's a nice size. You can say something like, got me all twisted up in the game, or you can even use this for Valentine's Day and say something like, I'm twisted up in your love. So yeah, I thought I can kind of use this for something. We'll think of something to use it for. So that, and then I also picked up this one, which is, I forgot the name of this. Oh, there it goes. Inside Family Messages. So I went ahead and got that there. And then they also had a sale on their color pouches one day. These are the large ones. I didn't realize how large they were going to actually be. I want to say it's like 9.75 or something like that by 6 1/4 or six something. They're really big, but good purchase. It was $5.99, and you got 50 in a pack. So I bought the yellow and the pink, and then right now they have some of the smaller packs that are on sale, $5.99 still. And I do have some more stuff that I ordered from them, so it'll be coming in the next couple days or so. And so I'll be back to share what I purchased from there as well. All right, I think that is it. So if you want to get some of these sales, make sure you head over to Lady Cree, which is Fun Creations. And like I said, I'll have her link down below to that video. I'm going to sure link SS Crafter 1, which is Tammy. Make sure you visit that channel as well. And then what's the other? My Favorite Things. Everybody know My Favorite Things. And Peachy King Stamps. Oh, I do have to say that the one for Sherry is now retired, so you won't be able to pick that one up anymore. I think that stopped on September 11th. All right, so that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the family. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.